Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PrizePicks suck on loading screen. Sometimes the app takes time to load due to slow internet, so wait for at least 30 seconds and try again later. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, use the fast network. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for PrizePicks, swipe it away completely, then wait for a few while and reopen it. Next, you're going to restart your device. This clears the or refreshes the system. On Android, clear cache. Go to settings, tap apps, tap PrizePicks, tap storage, tap clear cache. Then head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for PrizePicks and install the app to the latest version. Sometimes issues like stuck on loading screen happens because you are using the outdated version of the app, so update it. That's how to fix the PrizePicks stuck on loading screen. Subscribe for more quick fixes.